Right, we've also got a little drive in this 964 911 Porsche, of course. I do love a 911. Oh, first air-cooled one I've driven, actually. I'm going to be taking it a bit easy because not only is it a really nice example, but I've only ever taken one by the scruff of the neck at SMMT, and that was a brand new C2S. These old air-cooled ones, I know they have a bit of a bite in the tail, so we'll be a bit respectful. Just try and enjoy all the sensations through the wheel. I'll try and talk you through as much as I can where I would overtake this guy, hopefully. Surprisingly quiet. I thought it was going to be a lot noisier. That's exactly how you don't want to do a corner in a 911. Trail braking in. Got floor hinge pedals, which is interesting to get used to. Steering is chattering all the way to itself. Lovely. My old car feels really solid and heavy, but quite agile at the same time. Very impressive. Of course it is, it's a 911. It's almost ridiculous how good these things are. The damping is just incredible. There's a real sense of control and smoothness to it. Of course, all the engine's going on in the back behind me. Hill towing's good too. Oh, it sounds good at the top end. Oh my goodness. Too easy to drive this car quick. Mad, it's mad. It's so good, it's stupidly good. Why are 911s this good? What is it? It makes you think what everyone else is doing. Seating position's brilliant. Seat's comfortable. It's very narrow actually though. Don't want to be bigger than me, that's for sure. I'm snug in here. Yeah, low speed ride's a bit jiggly. Definitely smoothed out with speed. I've got a long way to go before I can drive a 911 hard with confidence. A long way to go. They are that good. It's a proper poser's mobile though through town. Yeah. It is nice having the bonnet sloped down, but the pontons of the headlights. It's real nice. The glass behind you is cool as well. Does give it a different feel for sure. Right, that's probably it for now, but we're going to take some photos. But yeah, more 911s please. This was a good one. Yeah, keep subscribed, like the video. Oh, that was our turning. And we'll be seeing you fairly soon, I'm sure. Thanks guys.